In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workspace URL in Slack. Your Slack workspace URL is the web address your team uses to sign in and access your shared workspace. It usually looks something like yourworkspace.slack.com. This can be useful when you're helping someone log in, setting up integrations, or simply making sure you're in the right workspace. Let's start with the desktop app on Windows or Mac. Open the Slack desktop application, then look to the top of the left-hand sidebar. You'll see your workspace name there. Click directly on it to open the workspace menu. Once that dropdown appears, look just underneath the workspace title near the top. You should see the full workspace web address displayed there in the format of yourworkspace.slack.com. If you need to share it or save it for later, use the copy link option. In some cases, you may also be able to right-click the URL and choose Copy URL. That will place it on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. If you're using Slack on a mobile device, the process is also very quick. Open the Slack app on your phone and make sure you're on the Home tab. From there, either swipe right on the screen or tap the workspace icon in the top left corner to open the main navigation panel. At the top of that panel, you'll see your workspace name in bold. Right below it, Slack displays your workspace URL in smaller text. If the address appears cut off or shortened, go into Settings, then Workspace Settings or Details, depending on your version of the app. That will usually show the full domain clearly. Now let's look at how to find it in a web browser. If you use Slack in Chrome, Safari, Edge, or another browser, begin by signing into your workspace. Once Slack is open, click into the address bar at the top of the browser window and highlight the URL. Sometimes you'll see the direct workspace address, which is the one ending in slack.com. Other times, you may see a longer app.slack.com/client address instead. If that happens, don't worry, just click your